Once upon a time, in a beautiful meadow, there lived a little sunflower named Syndrome. Syndrome was not like the other sunflowers. She didn't have bright yellow petals or a tall, strong stem. Instead, she was small and a little wilted. One day, a kind old rabbit named Remy came to visit the meadow. He saw Syndrome and said, "Oh, you're not like the others. Are you okay?" Syndrome felt sad, but she smiled and said, "I'm Syndrome, and I'm not like the others because I'm a little wilted." Remy looked at her and said, "But Syndrome, you're still a sunflower. You're unique and special in your own way." From that day on, Syndrome decided to embrace her uniqueness. She started growing taller and stronger, and her petals slowly turned a beautiful golden yellow. One sunny day, Syndrome stood tall and proud, her petals shining brightly in the sunlight. The other flowers were amazed and asked, "Syndrome, you've become so beautiful. How did you do it?" Syndrome smiled and said, "I embraced who I am and grew stronger because of it." From that day on, Syndrome taught all the flowers in the meadow to embrace their uniqueness and to never be ashamed of who they are. And the meadow became a place of acceptance and love, where every flower could bloom beautifully. As night fell, Syndrome closed her petals, ready to rest and dream of another day of growth and love. And the stars above twinkled, sending their love down to the meadow, making it a place where every flower could be themselves and shine brightly. The end.